Welcome to Rediscovery, where the wonders of space and science ignite. Meteors and asteroids are cosmic travelers, voyaging through the infinite reaches of space. They journey through the vast expanse of space, traversing distances that boggle the human mind. These celestial bodies hold clues to the universe's formation, offering insights into the early solar system. Their journeys are fascinating displays of energy and motion, showcasing the raw power of the cosmos. Meteors, often called shooting stars, are not stars at all, but rather small fragments of space debris. They are small pieces of space debris, remnants of comets or asteroids. This debris enters a planet's atmosphere and burns up, creating a spectacular light show. This creates a bright streak of light, a fleeting moment of brilliance in the night sky. Asteroids are larger chunks of rock and metal, some spanning miles in diameter. They orbit the Sun, mainly found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, a region teeming with these rocky bodies. Their movements are governed by gravity and ancient cosmic events, influenced by the gravitational pull of planets and stars. These cosmic travelers provide a glimpse into the dynamic forces shaping our universe, revealing the ongoing dance of celestial bodies. Their stories are filled with energy, collisions, and incredible journeys across unimaginable distances, each one a testament to the vastness and mystery of space. Meteors, those brilliant streaks of light we see in the night sky, originate from larger bodies like asteroids and comets. These celestial objects, often seen as mere space debris, have a fascinating origin story that dates back billions of years. These asteroids and comets formed billions of years ago from the remnants of a protoplanetary disk, a vast rotating disk of gas and dust that surrounded our young sun. This disk was a swirling cloud of gas and dust that surrounded our newborn sun, a chaotic and dynamic environment where the building blocks of our solar system began to take shape. Within this disk, countless particles collided and stuck together, gradually growing larger over time. These collisions were the first steps in the formation of planets, moons, and other celestial bodies. Gravity played a crucial role in this process, pulling in more material and causing these growing bodies to attract even more particles. Over millions of years, this led to the formation of larger and more complex structures. This process imbued asteroids and comets with their initial energy, setting them on their paths through the solar system. These objects are like time capsules, holding clues to the early days of our solar system. The gravitational pull of planets, especially massive gas giants like Jupiter, played a significant role in shaping the trajectories of these early bodies. Jupiter's immense gravity could alter the paths of asteroids and comets, sending them on new courses. Their immense gravity acted as a cosmic catapult, flinging these smaller bodies across the solar system with tremendous force. This cosmic catapult effect flung asteroids and comets across the solar system, giving them their initial velocity and setting them on their long, winding journeys through space. This initial velocity and the gravitational interactions they experienced along the way set them on their cosmic courses, paths that they continue to follow to this day. The energy from these initial formations and gravitational interactions continues to influence the motion of meteors even today, reminding us of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our solar system. The journey of a meteor is not always a straight path. It begins its voyage in the vast expanse of space, often as a fragment of a larger asteroid or comet. Gravity from other celestial objects, especially planets and large asteroids, can alter their course. These gravitational forces act like invisible hands, pulling and pushing the meteor along its path. This can lead to collisions, which release tremendous amounts of energy. The impact of such collisions can be catastrophic, sending shock waves through space. When asteroids collide, the impact generates heat and sends fragments scattering in different directions. These fragments can travel vast distances, carrying the energy of the collision with them. These fragments, some of which become meteors, now carry the energy of the collision. As they journey through space, they encounter various forces that can change their direction. This influences their new trajectories through space. The path of a meteor is constantly being reshaped by the gravitational forces it encounters. Even subtle gravitational interactions can have significant effects over time. These small nudges can accumulate, gradually altering the meteor's course. These interactions can nudge meteors into different orbits, potentially putting them on a collision course with planets or other objects. The delicate balance of forces in space is always at play. This cosmic dance of gravity and collisions constantly reshapes the paths of meteors and contributes to the ever-changing nature of our solar system. It is a dynamic and ongoing process, a testament to the powerful forces at work in the universe. Thanks for watching Rediscovery, where every journey uncovers breathtaking wonders. Craving more thrills? Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe. Let's continue exploring the unknown together. Your next epic adventure is just one click away.